Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing macOS and getting Homebrew. This gives you repeatable installs. Install Xcode command line tools, then run Homebrew install. It manages dependencies for you. Once Homebrew is ready, install Python via brew so you avoid modifying Apple's system Python. Make sure to update path. Homebrew's bin must precede system folders. This ensures the Python and pip commands refer to your managed install, making virtual environments reliable and predictable. Next, install Python with Homebrew and set up project isolation. Run brew install Python to get the latest stable 3, X and pip. Then create a virtual environment, Python mvenv myenv, activate it with source myenv/bin/activate so packages stay local to the project. Once active, use pip to install libraries and lock dependencies with pip freeze requirements. TXT. This prevents system conflicts and ensures your code runs the same on other machines or CI servers. Finally, run and debug your code and know one key troubleshooting tactic. Use Python script, py or Python m package. Module to execute, m helps when packages rely on module paths. For debugging, open your project in VS Code or PyCharm, set breakpoints, and step through to inspect variables. If commands point to the wrong Python, check which Python and echo $path to verify Homebrew's bin is first. If that fails, deactivate virtualenvs and resource the correct activate script to fix and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.